is circles. Question number 1. If the lines 3x minus 4y minus 7 is equal to 0 and 2x minus 3y minus 5 is equal to 0 are two diameters of a circle of area 49 pi. Equation of the circle is. So that means this is the required circle. These are the two diameters of the circle. One is given, one is 3x minus 4y minus 7 is equal to 0 and 3x minus 3y minus 5 is equal to 0. Then these two lines are intersect at a point that is called the center of the circle. So solve the given equations. Solve 3x minus 4y minus 7 is equal to 0 and 2x minus 3y minus 5 is equal to 0. Is solve 100. These two lines we get center 1 comma minus 1 is the center, and area of the given circle is area of a circle is pi r square is equal to pi into 49 pi. Pi is cancelled, r is equal to 7. Now the equation of the circle is, now the equation of a circle is x minus 1 whole square, center is, plus y plus 1 whole square is equal to r square, means 7 square, which is the required equation of the circle. Question number 2. A variable circle passes through a fixed point A, P comma Q, and touches x-axis. The locus of the other end of the diameter through A is. Now this is the coordinate axis, this is x-axis. The circle touches the x-axis. Here center of the circle is minus E minus F. It touches the x-axis. That means the distance from center to the x-axis is always equals to F. And A is a point P comma Q lies on this circle, and we take the diameter AC A dash. Another end of the diameter is x1 y1 and let the other end of the diameter is x1 y1. Then we want to find the locus of x1 y1 to this circle is. So answer is the variable circle which passes to a point P comma Q and which touches x-axis. That is, equation of circle is x minus g minus of minus plus g whole square plus y plus f whole square is equal to f square. So x square plus 2gx plus g square plus y square plus f square plus 2fy is equal to f square. Both are cancelled. Now x square plus y square plus 2gx plus 2fy plus g square is equal to 0. This is the equation of the circle which touches x-axis, and a point A, P comma Q lie on this circle. So that implies E square plus Q square plus 2GP plus 2FQ plus G square is equal to 0. Now the other end of the diameter through A is A dash. Now x1 plus P by 2 is equal to minus G, and y1 plus q by 2 is equal to minus f. Now we take x1 is equal to minus 2g minus p, and y1 is equal to minus 2f minus q. Here G means G is equal to x1 plus p by 2 and y1 is equal to this one. From 1 p square plus q square plus 2g. 2g means minus x1 minus p, minus x1 minus p into p plus 2f. 2f means minus y1 minus q into q plus g square. G square means x1 plus p by 2 whole square. x1 plus p by 2 whole square is equal to 0. Now expanding this one, p square plus q square minus x1p minus p square minus y1q minus q square plus x1 square plus p square plus 2px1 by 4 is equal to 0. Now here p square q square are cancelled. Now taking LCM is locus of x1 y1 is x1 square x square plus p square plus 2px1 x minus 4xp minus 4yq is equal to 0. Is equal to 0. Now we take it as now x minus p whole square is equal to 4qy. 4qy is the required locus of x1 y1. The greatest distance of the point P10, 7 from the circle x square plus y square minus 4x minus 2y minus 20 is equal to 0 is. For example, this is a given circle with the center 2, 1 and the radius. The radius is square root of 4 plus 1, 5 plus 25. This is 5 radius. Greatest distance means first of all we find whether the point lies on the circle or inside the circle or outside the circle. So S11 is equal to 100 plus 49 minus 14 minus 14 minus 20. It is always greater than 0. Therefore the point lies outside the circle. P lies outside the circle. Since S11 is greater than 0, the point lies outside the circle. So the greatest distance is, this is P dash. Greatest distance is PP dash, that is equal to CP plus R, that is the greatest distance. CP plus, and CP means square root of 10 minus 2 whole square plus 7 minus 1 whole square plus radius is 5, that is equal to square root of 64 plus 36 plus 5, 10 plus 5, this is 15. Greatest distance is 15.